The best cheese bread in Italy has no gooey cheese at all. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Crescia is a savory cheese bread from central Italy, Marche and Umbria. It is traditionally baked for Easter, but we make it all year round. We eat a slice with a boiled egg, salami or prosciutto. In spring, it's the perfect companion for asparagus. Crescia uses Parmigiano Reggiano and Pecorino, no melted cheese, no stringy pull. What you get is a soft, fluffy crumb that is buttery, nutty, slightly sharp, and just a little spicy. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below, and you can find and print the full detailed recipe on my blog on the link above. Melt the butter, but let it cool down before you add the eggs. Hot butter will cook them. Mix the yeast into lukewarm water and set it aside. You are waiting for it to foam. That tells you it's active. Add the olive oil and the eggs to the cooled butter and mix. Then add the yeast and stir. In a separate bowl, mix the flour, the salt and the pepper. With the mixer, bring the wet and dry ingredients together. Make sure there are no lumps in the flour. Then add the Parmigiano Reggiano and the Pecorino and mix again. If you want to add something extra, fold in small cubes of fresh pecorino or pieces of bacon or sausage, and you get a pleasant surprise in every slice. If you have a bread machine, you can do all this in a flash. Cover the bowl with a cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. Line the bottom of your baking pan with parchment paper. If the pan has a removable bottom, use it. It makes everything cleaner. Butter the sides, pour the dough in, cover again and let it rest for another 30 minutes. The second rest is what gives the bread its height. Bake at 320 Fahrenheit, 160 degrees for 1 hour. When it comes out, let it rest for 10 minutes before removing it from the pan. Crescia is best freshly baked, but it's also good the next day and it freezes well. Serve it with boiled eggs, cold cuts, and your favorite spring vegetables. And personally, I love it with a spring minestra. For more Italian regional bread and baking recipe like this one, check out the playlist I've linked for you. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next culinary adventure. Crescia, it definitely grew.